Hey guys, it's Adriana here from EduLab. Welcome to our Shopify SEO course. If you know nothing about SEO, don't worry, we're gonna explain everything in great detail. It's actually better if you don't know anything about SEO. We're gonna explain it and we're gonna break down these techie concepts and make them easy to understand and very digestible. So we're gonna cover how search engines work in general. So Google, Bing, and Yahoo, how do they work? And then we're gonna go into how do these search engines rank your website. So 200 ranking factors, what are those? How do you improve your website so that you can rank higher? We'll also cover that. And then lastly, we're gonna go into how do you track your progress? So you're doing all this hard work and improving your online store, but you're not sure what's making a difference. Well, no problem. We'll show you how to use Google Analytics and Google Search Console so you can figure out what these search engines are doing in the background so you can make improvements and see results. All right, guys, if you'd like to dive in, go ahead and watch the rest of our videos.